Math 102, example 1.1.4. Here we'd like to talk about functions. So a function is a type of relation in which every element in the first set corresponds to exactly one element in the second set. Basically what that means is x cannot repeat. It's perfectly okay if y repeats, but you can't have x repeat. So let's look down at part 1 of A of that example where I've got the numbers -1, 2, 5, 2, and 9, 4. I've got a repeat in the y, but that's okay. So I'm going to say yes because x does not repeat. So again, it's okay if y repeats. So long as x doesn't repeat, it is a function. What about the B example? I've got -2, -1, -2, -1, 3, and 4, 12. Here, I do have a repeat in the x, so no, because x repeats. Now our function example, or our function definition, works pretty well for sets of numbers, but what if we've got a graph? Here, the vertical line test sometimes is a little easier. And this says that if every vertical line intersects a graph in no more than one point, then that graph is a function. So let's look down at C here. Looks like an oval. If I draw a vertical line right there, I just hit that graph 2 times. So that is not a function. Most of what we look at in this class will be functions, so we really aren't going to look much at ovals. What about D, where I've got that diagonal line? I'm going to draw a bunch of vertical lines. All of them are hitting it just the one time. So that is, yes, that is a function. And that is in fact our linear function, which we will look at in a few sections.